In this video, I'm going to show something very special. So, what is this? This is a charging plate. Charging plate for Solomon seals. Okay, a lot of people have been asking how to charge the Solomon seals. I don't have the means to study the full course. I'm not having that kind of money. So how to charge the Solomon seals? Many people ask. सबको मालूम होना चाहिए कि Solomon seals कैसे चार्ज करना है और ये है Solomon seals का चार्जिंग प्लेट. ये मेरा फ्रेंड जो यूएसए में है उसने मुझे दिया है ये और उसने टेस्ट करके उसने खुद देखा है सील्स कैसे चार्ज हो रहा है. तो दिस इज गिवन टू बी माय फ्रेंड इन द यूएसए एंड शी हैज टेस्टेड इट एंड शी हैज फाउंड आउट हाउ द Solomon seals are being charged, which you can see. So if anybody wants this, please do contact me. I will give you the charging method also with this. When you buy this, I will be teaching you the charging method of this charging plate. So in this is used, is very strong, and this is used for charging any Solomon seals. If you are a professional also you can use this. आप प्रोफेशनल है तो भी आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं किसी और के लिए चार्ज करने के लिए. कोई भी Solomon seals चार्ज करने के लिए आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं. If you are a professional and you want to charge the Solomon seals for others also, you can use this. By using this you can charge the Solomon seals for others, not anything else, only Solomon seals. Okay, and it is very powerful. So if you are interested, there is a method by which this can be used. When I give this, I will be giving the method also. So it is a two-in-one. It's a course plus the charging plate. Even if you have done Solomon seals course from us, I know it is a very long process of charging each seal. So this is very easy. Is for all those who have done Solomon seals also, this charging plate is very easy, and you can use this and charge for yourself and also charge for others, seals for others for different purposes, and give it to them also. So you don't need to go for the lengthy process of what you learned in the 44 seals of Solomon course, which is very long. You have to recite everything, you have to recite the psalms, all that. So it's a very long procedure. Not I'm not talking about the self charging. This is for professional. So the next thing I want to show here is the activator, Solomon seals activator. This is the King Solomon's ring symbol, okay, and it is a very powerful activator. This is also available with us, so you can activate any seals with this. Both are, one is for charging and activation, and this one is for activation alone. So this I'm not giving any course or anything with this. I'm just giving the activator for both, for anybody who wants to buy. So both are of the same price. Only difference is what I said now. Now the next thing I want to show here is the manifestation plate of नीतिका. सो यू ऑल नो, सबको मालूम है नीतिका कौन है, क्या करती है, ये सबको मालूम है. तो ये है मैनिफेस्टेशन प्लेट, नीतिका का मैनिफेस्टेशन प्लेट. अब ये कैसे यूज़ करना ये बताती हूँ. इसमें ब्लू स्टोन, रेड स्टोन, ग्रीन स्टोन और पिंक स्टोन मिलेगा. वो सिर्फ डेकोरेशन के लिए रखा है. इसका यूज़ एक्चुअली कुछ और है. तो ये दिखाने के लिए मैंने सोचा ये वीडियो में ये भी दिखाएंगे. सो इन दिस हाउ टू यूज दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. द स्टोन्स गिवन इन दैट प्लेट इज जस्ट फॉर डेकोरेशन. Okay, now if you are going to manifest abundance, so you have to think about two words, keywords for abundance. That is the affirmation. So we will write abundance prosperity. So you write like this: abundance prosperity, abundance prosperity, abundance prosperity, like that. 3 times you write, and or until the circle comes and touches each other without removing your hand from the pen. You have to do continuously like that without removing your hand from the plate or from the pen. Like this it should touch. Once it is touched, okay, you can do. अभी आपका हाथ जो है जो लिख रहा है वो मूव नहीं करना, एक ही मोशन पे ऐसे ही लिखना है, हाथ उठाना नहीं. जब आपका उसके बाद आपका नाम लिखना है, पूरा नाम, स्ट्रेट और अक्रॉस, दो साइड्स में ऐसे लिखना है. आपका पूरा नाम लिखना है स्ट्रेट एंड अक्रॉस, और इस वक्त आप हाथ उठा सकते हैं। जब आप वो एफर्मेशन दो शब्द लिखते हैं ना, उस वक्त आपका हाथ मत उठाओ प्लेट से, एक ही साइड से ऐसे लिखना है। तो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग योर नेम यू कैन लिफ्ट योर हैंड, अदरवाइज व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द एफर्मेशन, व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अराउंड, you do not move your hand at all, you just don't lift your hand. Now this you can do every day. What you need to do is, once you will write like this, you say your affirmation, आप अपना affirmation बोलना, लिखने के बाद अपना affirmation बोलना 3 times 6 times और 9 times, ये 3 times 6 times और 9 times आपको अपना अफर्मेशन बोलना। उसके बाद आपको ये साफ करके कहीं पे रखना है, ये डेली आपको करना है। यू हैव टू डू इट एवरी डे। यू राइट योर अफर्मेशन, देन यू वाइप इट 3 times 6 times or 9 times, then you wipe it clean. You can wipe it with a wet wipes or anything like that, it will come out. Use that kind of pen, वैसे पेन यूज करना है जिसको हम क्लीन कर सकते हैं, वेट वाइप से भी क्लीन कर सकते हैं, या फिर कुछ एसेटोन से भी आप क्लीन कर सकते हैं। तो उसके बाद यू हैव टू कीप इट सेफली समवेयर। सो एवरी डे you write like this. Suppose you are looking for relationship, so you write the affirmation, 2 keywords that is related to a relationship. That is what you need to do. Now this is the Nitika symbol, and we have, like I said, we have in blue, red, pink and green stones kept like this. Sometimes there will be little change in the design, so this is available only with us. Okay, so if you want this, please do contact us on the WhatsApp number given in the description. Now we have the same thing for clonic also. See, you have clonic symbol here, sigil here. This is a copper coin with the sigil, and in the back of this is white. So in this also we have the stone color. See, this is pearl stone is big, so like that there will be छोटा सा डिफरेंस होगा ये डिजाइन में, लेकिन इसका काम एक ही है, यूज एक ही है। आपको इसके पीछे ऐसे लिखना है और साफ करना है, डेली लिख के साफ करना है जो भी चाहिए। क्लॉनिक के साथ आप अपना पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट भी लिख सकते हैं। अगर आपको 1 लाख रुपए चाहिए तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हैं। इफ यू वांट टू गेट 1 लाख रुपीज, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट for clonic. So this is what you need to do with the manifestation. These are manifestation plates. Okay, I have made another video with this before, but I don't know how many people have seen it. So this is very important. Now we are, a lot of people are coming to us to buy this. That is why I thought I will make a video in the full procedure, giving the full procedure. So this is how you use the manifestation plate of Nitika and clonic. Now one more thing I will show here regarding the charging plate of Solomon seals, how you need to use that. So in this, what is there, what is given there, I will explain a little bit. This is the Solomon seals we have here. We have, many of you have bought Solomon seals from us. So this is the manifestation seal. Okay, so you will keep this in the middle, then you will do the charging. This is how you do. So see Solomon's this clonic seal also we have. Back is like this. Before we used to put our logo, now we are not putting logo because people want to resell. It's okay, you can resell, not a problem. Before I was not allowing, now I am allowing. Anybody wants to resell also can buy from us and resell. So this is the manifestation sigil. This is copper. Okay, this is copper. ये कॉपर है, ये प्रोटेक्शन है, इसके ऊपर जो है रिसिन, इसका अंदर जो कॉइन है वो कॉपर है, देखो कॉपर है। ओके, उस पे सील है, ये एनग्रेव्ड नहीं है, प्रिंटेड सील है। ओके, प्रिंटेड है, प्रिंट है। ये हमारा सारे सील्स ऐसे ही आते हैं। सो यू नीड टू डू यू नीड टू चार्ज दिस सील। दिस इज द फर्स्ट pentacle of sun. So this is the manifestation pentacle. So you want to charge this, you can use this charging plate and charge. Anything you want to charge, you can use this manifestation. You can use this charging plate of Solomon's and charge. See, this is how it is. So what is written here? Let me explain that also a bit. So this is the portal through which you will go, or the corresponding angel which is corresponding to the sigil, to the pentacle will come. and on top we have Uriel, down we have Raphael, right we have Michael, and left we have Gabriel. Okay, so this is how it is prepared. So anybody who wants this, we have very limited number. This one I'm making, yes, but very difficult to make this. So I'm not making in bulk. Anybody who orders, I will make for them. So if you want, please do contact me. WhatsApp number is given in the description. Can contact me, and I will teach you also how to do this charging with the solvencies. So that's all in today's video. I hope everything is clear. If anybody wants anything, please do contact me. If you want to do our courses, the website which has the courses link is also given in the description. You can go to the website and select the course you want. Then you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. I will add you to the course. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all uploads.